In this video, I'm going to show you how to create breakout rooms in Zoom meeting. So assume I'm on this Zoom meeting and I want to create breakout rooms that others can join, maybe to math class, to physics class, to English class. I can subdivide the participants into different classes. So to create the breakout rooms, you can be able to see breakout room here. If you can't see it, you come to host info, you'll be able to see breakout room. And once you enable it, so you can just click. You can assign a class or rename the class. For example, I can say physics class. Okay, and say yes to this. I can add another room from here. I can just select and rename it. I can say math class. Okay, so we can come down and add as many classes as you want. You can recreate if you want. Now you can open all rooms when it is ready to open. So you can join the classes from here. You can just click to join and you'll be able to see the number of participants who have joined already. You are the host, so you can join. And once you are done, you can broadcast this and everyone is going to join. Okay, so the invite can be to all the participants, and once you are done with the rooms, you can click on close rooms. You can say yes, close down rooms, and you can select and delete any of the rooms that you want to delete, or if you want to delete all, you can delete them. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.